Hi, and welcome to this very short presentation of the whit cloud and the EPCIS event architecture, and a little demo of two new applications we're working on to get this infrastructure to work as we want. So what you see now is the basically it might look cluttered and a lot of things, but it's basically trying to describe the whole product lifecycle, cradle to grave for a product. And we talk about a unique physical item. So all the way from manufacturing, assembly, shipping, all the way to recycling and disposing, we want to build a logbook. That's the system principle of such an application. We are using the GS1 EPCIS standard 2.0. So that's basically the standard where what everybody's using. So we have the ability to let also other people send these events. The strategy we have is, of course, to build a lot of custom applications, or other people can build custom applications for any actor in this game. So manufacturers, importers, distributors, customs, etc. They have the ability to, at the physical item, at a certain event, actually send a message, and that will be logged on the server, and that's something that will be living on forever together with that physical item, with that digital product passport, basically. So today I want to do a very, very quick demo. I want to show how we can receive these messages in our playground, which is our research platform. And I also would like to show you how we send these messages. So to do that as well as pedagogic as I can, so to the right you have the what we call the smart interface. This is the little web service app that actually runs normally on a portable device like a tablet or a phone. So you have some setting. I will not go into too deep into detail in this video. I will do a longer video more explaining every single detail. We will work with the playground to the left, which is basically the whit system operational receiver and server and everything. So we look into basically the team development. This is my standard team for development. We look into the products, and I have decided we're going to work with the DJI Neo, that new beautiful drone from DJI. And as you see, this is basically the product card, the DPP for this product. We can go into detail about the units and everything, unique identifier, but I will not do that right now. So I prepped this in a way where we will actually have picked up this basically by scanning a QR code or tapping on an NFC tag. Then the smart interface will actually pick up that product itself, and it will assist you in sending an event. So to do that properly now, I will switch over to the event handler, just so we have everything here. So you see in the event handler, this is where all the events are picked up. And this is called endpoints in the webhook world. So basically a webhook and an endpoint is basically like, think about a radio station transmitting on a certain frequency, and all these radios picking up the what you send. These will have to have the correct frequency or the correct endpoint. So we have based this technology on that the team in whit, it's all listening to the same endpoint. So not every product will not have their own endpoint. That would be ridiculous. So the team itself have an endpoint. So when we go over to this phone application, you see it. We already have the drone added here. It does have a target now. It does know the endpoint. We have event time, it picked up, and I want to say I'm adding and installing a battery. So new battery installed. And this application knows where I am, who I am. It knows what device I'm using and these kind of things. So now I would just say click send event. It's sent out on the web, obviously, and it was successful. And what you saw on the other side, it immediately popped up on the hair. So this is like really, really amazing, this infrastructure. And With this, we can fully build what we call the bidirectional DPP. We can build the product lifecycle event log on each individual unique DPPs. So in the end, this will actually have a log, and when you go back to the product itself, in this, you can actually go into the units. You have the ability to see what is going on with this product. So it's basically building the whole event history, the whole log for a product on the DPP itself. Okay, that was all I wanted to show in this short video. Thank you very much.